So recently I played the bass line in a song, kind of like a compa style of music, and the progression is 6, 4, 5, 4. That is all. Right, so I play the bass line and I just feel like breaking it down for you guys. So let me just play the bass line once and I break it down. So 1, 2, 3, go. You get it on still that progression. 6, 4, 5, 4. You get it. So let me just break it down now. So what I play there is la la do re mi fa la fa re so so. That's the first line, right? La la do re mi fa la fa re so so. First line. Then the second line is ti ti so re fa la fa re. Then mi do la. You get it? Ti ti so re fa la fa re mi do la. There's also, let's join it all together now. You get it, very simple. 1, 2, progression 3, go. Bassline now. So just try it out. Try it to metronome with the tempo, right? Start very slow before you get to your desired tempo. So thank you. Yes.